erase the page if we run about. I'll be ready when the pieces fall tonight. If they fall again, it's an honor to wait here, thrown out in the wreckage. Didn't want this in my circling and paces. You gathered all the wreckage and you made this safe.
Dear Madison, today is the day. I've always dreamed of this moment from when I first met you. Remember when you were upset at those frogs the first night that we met? You make me laugh when I have bad days.
Pull me closer now, where you hold it all together, seamless and bound. Run into arms we found, where you hold it all together. Hold it all together, safe and sound. Hold it all together, safe and sound.
Joshua, I have always prayed and hoped for this day, and I'm so glad I found you. You're everything I could ever want and more. We've been through so much together in the past 2 years, and I can't thank you enough for never leaving my side. We went through more than most do in 10 plus years of marriage or a lifetime, and I can't wait to continue growing with you. Loving you, being a family, and hopefully starting our own soon. You are a strong, caring, amazing man, and I couldn't imagine life without you.
When my restless places, you gathered all the wreckage and you made this. Pull me closer now, where you hold it all together, seamless and bound. Run into arms we found, where you hold it all together. Hold it all together, safe and sound. Hold it all together, safe and.
Throughout the summer, I learned you had a passion for sports and especially for dogs. I'm so happy that Lambo approves of me because I am sure I'll make a great dog dad. I've seen how you treat him, and it makes me excited that we will have our own family someday. I promise you that even in our most trying times, I will be my best version of myself. Decades from now, we will look back at this day and cherish it. Tell our grandkids about that one time I busted out those sick dance moves. I can't wait to spend our forever together throughout to the end. Love always, Joshua, aka your gummy bear.